Hey there my peeps, Grammy T from Grammy T Knows. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you two ways you can remove a color cast. As you can see, there's a kind of a blue tint on this image, and we want to remove that. In the first demonstration, we're going to use Colorize in the neural filters. So you would go up here to Filter, Neural Filters, and then you would come right down here and turn on this Colorize button. We can start by checking the auto button up here. Let's see how that turns out. If you're not happy with the auto adjustment, you can always come to the sliders down here and make your own adjustments. Then come down here to Output Options, make sure you're on New Layer, and then just click OK. And here are your results from the Neural Filters Colorize option. Let's look at another option. First, let's make a copy of the background layer. And then you're going to come up here to Filter, and then come right here to Blur, then Average. And it's going to put this solid layer on top. You're going to do a Command I to invert that layer. And the next thing you're going to do is come to your blending modes and choose Overlay. And just that quickly you got rid of that color cast. So let's compare. We have the Colorize Neural Filter option, and then here's the old school. I don't know what else to call it, so I just said old school. You have just learned two ways that you can resolve color casts. Now don't throw one out for the other, because one may work in this image. However, the next image you have, the neural filters might work better. That's what I love about Photoshop. There's so many ways to resolve issues. I hope this video has been beneficial to you. And if it has been, go on and like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.